See, one of the things which really appealed to me which John Holt said was, fail the method, not the child.
One size doesn't fit all. That is what I know. One method doesn't fit all. I, as a teacher, also I am undergoing training all the time. I'm learning all the time.
My definition totally changed after joining the school.
I think the biggest challenge is that education all over the world, and particularly in our country, that children get 100% if possible. And they are sort of groomed to perform. And it's been quite a challenge to tell parents that there's much more to learning than this, and that you're not doing justice to the child if you are expecting a particular result at the end of it, particularly if it goes against the nature of the child.
Academically, we have to help them reach their potential best. So that is one. We should not compromise that. At the same time, give them an idea of how they can see what is it that their passion, their interest lies in. Both are important, I would say.
The connection between the teachers and the students should be quite like intimate. You shouldn't be afraid. Fear is not the key.
Like if you have a problem which is really hurting you, or which affects performance, or social problems and stuff, they don't really judge you with it. They have a personal connection with everybody. So it's just special in its own way. With every teacher, there's a special connection. So that's just, it's awesome.
We established a relationship. We have formed a relationship. If a student falls sick or something like that, we also feel bad about it. So it's like more our family relationship. With the open dialogues, with open thoughts, open-mindedness. We keep it open, everything for students as well as for the teachers.
I believe that education is more to do with understanding and thinking. Most important thing is a flowering of the mind. Unless the child develops an interest, the child will not have the attraction or the inclination to study anything. So it is the duty of the teachers to make sure that the format of whatever is being taught made in a way as if their children are enjoying themselves creating. This is the most important.